हेलो बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे कैपिटल लेटर्स। पर उससे पहले आइए कलर्स नेम जानते हैं। डिफरेंट कलर्स। ग्रे कलर, पिंक कलर, येलो कलर, पर्पल कलर, ग्रीन कलर, ब्लैक कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, brown color and red color. Red, brown, orange, black, green, purple, yellow, pink, gray. A for apple, A for apple. B for ball, B for ball. C for cat, C for cat. D for dog, D for dog. E for elephant, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fish. G for grapes, G for grapes. H for horse, H for horse. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for joker. K for king, K for king. L for lamp, L for lamp. M for monkey, M for monkey. N for nest, N for nest. O for orange, O for orange. P for parrot, P for parrot. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rabbit, R for rabbit. S for sun, S for sun. T for tiger, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for van, V for van. W for watch, W for watch. X for Xmas tree, X for Xmas tree. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zebra, Z for zebra.